Now, in our last video, I said that we are going to be talking about the plan that we are going to be using to actually, get funded and also get a payout. All right. I said it before. I said the information that I'm giving to you guys now is already be added to a paid course. Okay, please take this seriously. All right, take this very, very seriously. All right. Again, if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. Don't skip any part of this video. If you do, you will miss it. You will miss it. All right. Sometimes the shortest route always take us back to the very beginning. Okay. So please. All right. Now, I said we are going to be having a plan for trading a prop firm account. So this I call it professional prop firm trading plan. Okay, professional prop firm trading plan. All right. Now, and that is what we are going to be doing. During the end of that video, I said we are going to be using this outline, which is the duration that we're going to be trading with this plan is going to be 3 months. All right. Now the profit target for that 3 months is going to be $3,000, and then the account size you're going to be using is going to be $6,000, and we are going to be using the mindset of our overall drawdown to trade that account. All right. So we are not going to be thinking about that account as if it is a $6,000 account, but also as if it is a $600 account. I mean, that is what we are going to be trading with, not the 6,000. Okay. So 5,400 is none of our concern. All right. Now, and I've already said this, the mindset is going to be 600, not $6,000. Okay. Now, here is how we are going to be doing this. All right. I call it prop firm psychology and mindset. All right. So what we are going to be, a strategy that we are going to be using for this project. Okay. Now, before we go into that, in our previous video, I said that one of the biggest mistake or reason why a lot of our young traders lose their prop firm account is because they misunderstand the actual capital or the actual amount they control in their account. Right. So they believe that they have a $6,000 account, so that is what they control. No, that is not what you control. It is not yours. How many times will I tell you? It is not for you. Okay, that account is not for you. You only have $600 to your name. All right, that is what concerns you. Okay, now if you have a $6,000 account, all right, you must understand that you don't have control of that $6,000 account. You have control of $600. All right. So, and that is why we have mapped out this plan. All right, to actually help us in this journey. All right. So when you are trading your capital, always calculate based on the 600, not on 6,000. All right. Based on, okay, let me phrase this word in a way that everyone will understand, so that it will not be like I said, I'm only talking to those people that are using the $6,000 account alone. So when trading your account, trade with the mindset of the overall drawdown, not the entire capital. So irrespective of the account balance you are trading, all right, trade with the mindset of the overall drawdown, not the entire capital, because the entire capital is not yours. Okay, it's not yours. Don't be all right. Now the examples for this trading is going to be, now we are not going to be risking a 2% for this account. All right, we are not going to be using the 2% of this for this account. For example, a $6,000 account, we are not going to be using the 2%. We are not going to be using a 1%. All right, we are not going to be using the 1%. Right. So what we are going to be using, because we have a mindset of a $600 account, so we are going to be using a 5% of the $6,000 account. The reason why I use 5% or I did not use 1% of $600 account, so that you people will not say that how can you be trading with $6, because $6 will eventually be the 1% of 600. All right, how can one be trading with $6? All right, so it's not it will not be, because of all those kind of things. So I say, okay, fine, let's be a little realistic. Or even though in this uh trading guide is I still consider it a little bit aggressive. All right, but then it is perfect uh trading journey. Okay, so we are going to be using a 5% of the uh entire balance, which is $30 per each trade. All right, for every trade we are going to be taking in this journey is going to be $30. All right, so you can write that down. So in order for you to understand what I'm saying, irrespective of the account balance you are using, whenever you trade, use 5% of your entire balance. Now, for those of you that have a bigger account size, you can recalculate this. Okay, you can, for example, if you are trading a $10,000 account, you can use 1% of your 10,000 of your $1,000 overall drawdown. All right, or 2% of your 2% of your overall drawdown. All right, you can use that. I mean, that will be okay. Okay, that will be okay. Now, here is how we are going to be using this strategy. All right, I call it the risk management rule. All right, matrix volume. Okay, now account size is $6,000 for this journey, like I said it before, and the maximum drawdown is 600, which is our mindset. All right, which is our mindset. All right, so the real mindset here is we are trading $600 account, not $6,000 account. Okay, now the risk per trade is going to be 5% of 600 equals to uh, uh, $30. Okay, $30. That is what we are going to be trading with. 5% of 600 equals to $30. All right. So that's what we are going to be trading with. Okay. Now the risk to reward ratio we are going to be targeting is strictly 1:2 or 1:2.5 maximum. All right. We don't want to stay too long in a trade. Okay. 1:2 or 1:2.5. All right. So profit target is $6, is $60. Okay, $60 or $75. That is all. $60 or $75. That is all. If you have is, if as a matter of fact, if you have $50 as profit and the trade is looking, take it out. Okay, take it out. All right. Now we are going to be taking just 2 trades a day. Okay, just 2 trades a day. All right, just 2 trades. That is what we are going to be taking a day. So our daily loss is going to be $6. So we take 2 trades and we lose $6. If we have lost $6 for that day, $60 for that day, we are done trading. We are not trading again for that day. All right, but if we have a profit of $70 or $60 for that day, or $120 for that day, then we can okay, we can call it a day. All right, we can call it a day. Don't over trade. 2 trades per day, whether profit or loss. Okay, 2 trades per day. And like I said, the maximum daily loss is going to be $60, and the weekly maximum loss is going to be $150. So you must not lose above $150 in a week. All right, that is what we are going to be working with. All right, we will not lose. This plan that I'm sharing with you now, I may not be posting it here on YouTube, because we are on the course. Is going, like I said before, I said is already be added to a course, unless you want to be added to this course. Okay, if you want to be added to this course, I'll be sharing the link and information on how to join that course. Then you can join. Then we will follow together. Okay, but aside that, I'm giving you this to work on your own. All right, to work on your own. All right, now the trading setup for this plan, I would love to share with you, but for you to get this, visit my Telegram channel. I will be dropping there on the Telegram channel so you can get it. Okay, you'll get it on the Telegram channel, then you can use it. All right. So for this video not be too long, I think I will be ending this video here. All right. I will be ending this video here, and every other further information about this trade journey is going to be given in our course. All right, the course is not expensive. Trust me, it's not expensive, because I don't want it to be like as if I'm giving this out for free. All right, so it's just as if like you did not pay. You understand? That is how it's going to look like. But you're just going to be paying a little amount to this. I mean, it's going to be fair when you get to see the cost and how it is. All right. So that is it for this. Stick with this plan that I've shared with you. All right. All right. So see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right. See you on the next video. Bye.